And we just found Miss Carolina Car Dude's most favorite of all cars.
I would take any of these, even in red.
They are incredible.
All right, so if you've been following us for any time, you know that I have a huge Bel Air obsession, especially the 57. I'd settle for a 55, but 57 is where my heart lies. If you've also been following us, you know I'm not a huge fan of red cars. However, this one I would take in red.
So let's take a look at all the Bel Airs we have found the past couple of years.
Oh, get ready for the best car.
So if you've been watching any of our videos, you'll know that Mrs. Carolina Car Dude here loves her a Chevy Bel Air.
Bel Air. And so this one, I haven't ever seen one this color, and I kind of dig it. But what I really dig is that they put some like glitter in the interior. Like
oh!
My only complaint is that it doesn't have white walled tires. And if I was gonna have one, I would want white walled tires.
Wow, white walls would look good on this. Sale
I love
pending.
that color, though.
Yeah.
Look at the glitter.
There is the glitter she is talking about. The price on this one, $79,900, and sale is pending. So we have a 1955 Chevy Bel Air right here. What do you think they're asking for this one?
It's like done up though. It's like low riding and it's got a rag top. So I'm gonna go 135.
So the asking price, this one is super sharp too. The asking price on this one, $175,900.
All right, so the 55 Bel Air is my second favorite. The 57 is like my dream gold car, but if I had to settle, I'd take a 55. And I would settle for this one. Look at it.
Oh, it's beautiful. How much are they asking for this?
48, which I feel like is totally doable.
Oh, I think that's not bad, I don't think. Here, let's take a look, get a little closer look here. Yeah, 60 or 55 Chevy Bel Air, 48,000. It is very beautiful. This 1956 Chevy Bel Air just sold. How much did it sell for? Well, let's take a look. $55,000. It's got 71,000 miles on it. What do you think? Good price or no?
Still gonna be tired.
Here is another Bel Air. Love the paint scheme on this one. That is a beautiful Bel Air. So we're about to show you a Chevy Bel Air. You just peaked the price there.
I did. We're gonna have to win the lottery in order for this.
Yeah, so here is the Bel Air. We'll show you the price here in a second. It is a 1957 Bel Air. And they are asking right under $150,000 for this 1957 Bel Air convertible. Have we seen a convertible before?
Yes.
Have we?
Not here. I have not, like, since you and I have been doing
Yeah.
this, no, but yes, I have
I don't,
seen
yeah, I
that.
don't think this is the first convertible one that we've seen. So Miss Carolina Car Dude has found another Bel Air here at Streetside Classics.
A lot of red ones, and it might be the only car in the world I'd be willing to take a red one just to have one.
Yeah, my personal favorite color I think is kind of like the Carolina blue ones we've seen.
Love those. I love the black and whites too, especially with the white wall tires and stuff. Oh,
The black and whites are really good. Let's take a look at the price of this one. And this one's a Restomod, it looks like. So they are asking right under $65,000. There's some specs on it. Oh yeah, I do not like the modern touches. If I'm gonna get a Bel Air, I want the complete look from that year. Did you see what it looks like inside? So here is another Bel Air. What do you think the price is? You looked, didn't you? You cheater.
I don't remember those. 65?
You are pretty close. So they are asking $56,000. I mean, this one looks great. Yeah, $56,000 for this 57 Chevy Bel Air. Sign me up. We have got a 1951 Chevy Bel Air, and this one has been done up nice. A little detail of the dice right there. This is a beautiful Bel Air. Love the paint scheme on it. Oh, look at the tire in the back. That's awesome. So Miss Carolina Car Dude has found her another Bel Air with a bright red interior.
Matches my sassy redhead attitude. I think I kind of like it.
It definitely. That's bright. We have a 1956 Chevy Bel Air. Old Mrs. Carolina Car Dude is a big fan of the Bel Airs.
My favorite.
Not a huge fan of the paint scheme on this one.
I mean, I don't love it, but I'm not going to turn it down if somebody wanted to buy it for me.
Yeah, that is true. And this one, the asking price is $114,000. Holy smokes, is this one nice. I love the paint color in this one. How much do you think this one is?
$123.
Well, look at there. You are right on. 1956 Chevrolet Bel Air, $123,000. Wow.